You notice, however, that the composition of the demand changes when you change your price. Of the 42 session purchase at a higher price, 25 are maths. What is this telling you about the groups taking maths and linguistic? This is an important key bit and a key lesson to kind of take away, is that when you have math sessions and linguistic sessions, you could see them as two separate products. Instead of observing a total market for tuition, you could dissect it into markets for linguistic and markets for maths. So I could go back to this before and after graph. I could go here and what I can do is copy this, go down here, and now say that I now have information that it's important, which is, I actually can get rid of this and say quantity for math is 25 and quantity for linguistic is what, 17? No, 17? 17. 42 at a price of 35. What is this telling you about the two groups taking math and linguistics? Well, let's try to answer this very informally. Okay? You raise the price. Linguistics went from 30 to 17. Math went from 30 to 25. Price increased for both of them in the same way. So what can you say about these two groups?
For linguistics, customers are more price sensitive.
For linguistics, customers are more price sensitive. Sensitive in what sense? That your quantity responds by a higher amount. Okay? What is that property linked with? What is that concept linked with? Elasticity, of course. What was elasticity? It measured the responsiveness of quantity as a change in price, as a percentage change in price.
We could also say that the mathematics play is less elastic as compared to the linguistics play.
Say that again?
We could also assume that the mathematics is less elastic as compared to the...
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, or you could see it the other way and say the math courses are less elastic than the linguistic one, right? So effectively, and you have to be careful about this, right? What you're really saying is you're not making a general statement about mathematics and linguistics. You're saying at that particular point, at the price of 30, when you're selling quantity of 30, mathematics is less elastic than linguistic. Okay? So price elasticity of demand in absolute value will be higher for linguistic. For a 1% increase in price, the quantity decrease in the linguistic is going to be higher. That's all we can say about those two groups. Okay? As quantity responds by a bigger percentage change for the same percentage price change, the point price elasticity of demand is higher in absolute value for linguistic. And that concludes that part B.